Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic for all Nintendo Switch enthusiasts: game sharing between the Nintendo Switch 2 and the original Switch. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Ensure both consoles are connected to the internet. First things first, make sure both your Nintendo Switch 2 and original Switch are connected to a stable internet connection. Step 2. Link Nintendo accounts. On both consoles, ensure that your Nintendo accounts are linked. This is crucial for sharing games seamlessly. Step 3. Enable primary console on Nintendo Switch 2. On the Nintendo Switch 2, set this console as the primary console for your Nintendo account. This allows any user on this console to access your digital game library. Step 4. Accessing games on the original Switch. On the original Switch, log in with the same Nintendo account used on the Nintendo Switch 2. You'll now be able to access and play the shared games from the primary console. Step 5. Download and play. Navigate to the Nintendo eShop on the original Switch, find the games shared from the primary console Nintendo Switch 2, and download them to start playing. Step 6. Restrictions and considerations. Keep in mind, game sharing has its limitations. You can't play the same game simultaneously on both consoles unless you purchase multiple copies. Conclusion. And there you have it. Game sharing between the Nintendo Switch 2 and the original Switch is a great way to enjoy your digital library with friends or family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.